How to fix Messenger nickname bug. So first, open up your Messenger application and make sure to log into your account. And now if you simply open up any chat, any random chat that you are comfortable with, and now if you go for the upper right corner and tap on that icon, here you will have nickname option. You can simply set a nickname. For example, I'll be choosing, and you can simply tap on set. So that's it, that's how you set the nickname. But if you are facing a problem with this nickname, then you can simply remove that, and then you can open up your settings and then go for apps and notifications and go for Messenger on your settings, and then go for storage and cache and go for clear cache. So this might fix your problem. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply open up your Play Store and then go for the search bar and search for Messenger. And here under Messenger, if you have an update option, then you can simply tap on update and you have to update your Messenger application. But if you don't have the update, then simply remove that, and you need to uninstall the Messenger application. So simply hold on to that Messenger and go for app info, and here you will have uninstall option. Simply uninstall it and then again install it, and then you can log into your account so that your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then simply hold on to that power button for 2 to 3 seconds, and here you will get a restart option. Simply restart your device and your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.